this video tutorial I will show you how to crochet circle motif, and also you will see how to join such motifs together in large piece of work. For work you need 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Start the work. Make a chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Then chain 3 to bring up the yarn, and chain more by pattern. Make double crochet into the ring. Then chain and double crochet into the ring. Chain and double crochet into the ring. I have done 3. You need to do 4 more. I'm about to complete this round. After I did last double crochet, work with the slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Round is done. Make a slip stitch into the chain space, and now I join new color of yarn. I'm working with brown color of yarn. Now chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Now double crochet 2 together, 1, 2, and pull through. Then chain of 3. Make double crochet 3 together into the next chain space, 1, 2, and 3, and pull through. Now I'm alternate with chain of 3 and double crochet 3 together into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, and pull through. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. Now I'm going to work with yellow color of yarn. After I did the first round, I leave my yellow color of yarn. Now I turn my yellow color of yarn. Insert the hook into the top of the stitches, make slip stitch. I have already cut off my brown color of yarn, and now I'm working with yellow color. Now I'm working with first round. Now insert the hook around the double crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Make chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make single crochet into the chain space. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet into the chain space. Then yarn over the hook twice. Make treble crochet around the stitch of the lower row. Now make front post treble crochet. Like this. Make single crochet into the chain space. Then chain of 3. Then single crochet into the next chain space. Then yarn over the hook and make front post treble crochet around the stitch that is in the first round. Then single crochet into the chain space. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. Make chain of 3. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch on the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. Round is done. Chain to beginning of the yarn. Work with 3 chain space. Make half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make half double crochet into the same chain space. The first petal is ready. Make single crochet into the double crochet. Make single crochet into the stitch of the previous round. Make half double crochet into the next chain space. 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make half double crochet into the same chain space. Make single crochet into the front post treble crochet. Let's repeat again. Make half double crochet into the next chain space. Then 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and half double crochet. And single crochet into the front post treble crochet. I have done 3 petals. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. This is the last round. Now after the half double crochet, I'm working with the slip stitch into the chain stitch in the beginning of this round, and my circle motif is ready. In the second part we'll continue working on these beautiful double colored motifs. Thanks for watching.